This is a free app to get US number. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to get US number for free without VPN. You'll be able to use this phone for your SMS verification and voice verification for every of your online businesses. This is one of the best app that you can find to make free calls and tests for everyone. You can see you can use this for your iOS and Android devices. If you watch this video to the end, I'm going to take you through how to get a US phone number at no cost with this platform. You'll be able to use this phone number for your permanent use. You can see you'll be able to use free phone number online calls to any line, that is both mobile and landline, with no SIM card or plans needed. If you are looking for a US phone number, this is the best platform that will help you do that. You can even get multiple phone numbers for different countries of your choice. These are what you can do with this phone number. You'll be able to call virtually at no cost, no monthly fee, no contract. You can also get a toll-free vanity number, a phone number like this, to support both your offline and online businesses. You'll be able to turn any of your devices, tablet, phone of any brand into making phone calls. You'll be able to test free to your friends and family members and also make free calls. One major reason why I love this platform is that you can make free call between your friends and family members and business partners using this app. You can see you'll be able to download the app either iOS or Android. All you need to do is to download. You search Dingtones app on any of your devices. You wait for it to download. As soon as it's downloaded, you will open. This is the welcome page. You click get started. You wait for it to load. Then you set the permission to agree and allow it to access all the resources of your phone. The next thing to do is to select your country. I'm in Nigeria. I'm choosing Nigeria. Then you can use your email too. Then you key in your phone number. Ensure that the phone number you are keying in is not starting with 0. Look at this, it's going to complain now. It's complaining that I should remove the 0. So I have to remove that 0. Because it's starting with country code, you now say continue. You have to confirm the phone again to be sure it's correct. Okay. You click OK. Then it's applying. You'll be receiving code to confirm it's your phone. This is how to use this app to get your free US phone number for free. The first thing you need to do is to claim the phone number. But first, what is the actual cost of this phone number? I've decided to choose US phone number randomly. Phone number will be assigned to me randomly. But you can see the cost per year, almost $125. Per month, almost $5. But I can use credit to buy the phone number. That is 1,200 credit. The good thing is that this 1,200 credits can be secure for free on this platform by doing different microtask offers. Look at it. With this menu, you can get 1,000 credit. Daily sign-in on the platform will earn you credit. You can watch video and earn credit on this platform. So you can now use that credit to purchase your phone number. And you can even have multiple phone numbers. Daily check-in. You can play games on the platform. You can purchase credit on the platform. You can earn 1,000 credit easily with this menu. You can play games on the platform to earn credit that will help you purchase your phone. Look at so many offers that you can do. Look at it, so many of them. You just have to do the job with your phone to earn the credit. And you can also go for multiple phones. That is for different countries of your choice. Because you can actually earn this within a day. So, but there are other ways to you can secure more points. Win gift cards that you can convert to credit that will help you even buy credit to make phone calls to your friends and family members. Additionally, other different ways and things you can do includes you can even buy the credit if you don't want to do the job. That's you purchase the credit. You can like the platform, the company on social media platform that will give you more credit. And the best way is for you to start inviting your friends and family members via SMS and by sending email to them. This is your link. You just click and pick them and start sharing it. The more people you invite to use the platform, the more credit you get. And you can use it to make phone calls, to purchase more phone numbers for different countries. So this is how to get US phone number for free.